Hello, this is Kevin Benedict, SMAC Analyst with Cognizant, and I was just walking toward my hotel, came across a good friend of mine, Steve Mason with ClickSoftware. How are you doing, Steve?
Kevin, I'm doing fine, thank you very much.
Now, Steve, why don't you share with the audience your area of responsibility at ClickSoftware?
I'm responsible for sales in all of Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Russia at ClickSoftware.
Man, you're like world domination there.
I'm having a good go.
Now, we're here in Barcelona, Spain at the Mobile World Congress 2013. Let me ask you a question, Steve. You talk to customers every day. You hear from your sales agents all around the world. What's different in 2013 from perhaps things you've heard in 2012?
From a mobile perspective, there seems to be a general desire in the market to mobilize. It's not necessarily to schedule and optimize, but it's actually to mobilize my workforce. And what's interesting now is that people are not interested in great monolithic mobile apps. They're actually looking, or programs, are actually looking for smaller, more digestible applications. So taking parts of their work process and mobilizing those, empowering the organization to be more efficient. Now, it could be as simple as mobilizing a process which currently is dependent on paper.
Okay.
So it has nothing to do with organizing the work that's being done. It is all about how do I drive the efficiency of my employee when I'm out in the field, capturing the data and passing it back to my back-end system. That is significantly different to what we've seen in the past. Okay,
but I think some of your guys' strengths, if I understand it right, is also the content on the back end. The analytics, the context aware, and all that fun stuff. So how do you apply that into mobile apps?
Yeah, so what we've been doing is we've been using our integration capability to enable the data to be collected from multiple upstream systems and then presented with the right data to the right people with the right work process. The second thing, which is really quite cool, is that we've been introducing artificial intelligence into the mobile applications.
How so?
So what we're doing is we're working on the basis, it's called Click Butler, and that's the application. What that's doing is that's enabling us to recognize the context of the work and then have the application pre-select data that will empower the employee to be more productive.
Oh, now that's cool stuff.
So simple things could be the fact that somebody is going to go to a particular address. So rather than tell them, here's your work, what we do is we prompt them, here's your work, and by the way, do you want the driving instructions? So immediately it stops them having to swipe around the application and drawing out the driving instructions. The second thing is that when where they are close to the customer's location, we can automatically prompt them, do you want to call ahead to let the customer know you're going to be there? So all of these things help empower people to be more productive when they're executing on their work.
Well, that's awesome. Steve, I want to thank you so much for sharing with us.
Kevin,
and good luck at the Mobile World Congress.
Cheers, and you. Thank you, bye-bye.